Hello everyone. The topic I will be covering today is technology integration in public schools. According to Picciano, technology is the tool of choice for communicating, for assessing information, and for learning about the world. Unfortunately, there is a big disconnect between the personal use of technology and technology use in schools. As opposed to the business world, where technology has been embraced mostly due to the invent of database management systems that help corporations become more efficient, schools have been slow to integrate technology in a meaningful way in the classroom. Schools often face hurdles that businesses do not face when exploring technology options for schools. For example, the cost of hardware and software alone can be a barrier to some schools when it comes to using technology for instruction, not to mention the constant changes to curriculum or the need for comprehensive staff development. Teacher attitudes towards technology have also hampered moves by districts to speed up the integration process. Setting teachers' expectations must be part of the preparation process. Explaining the many benefits of technology, especially content-specific tools, helps educators understand how technology can help them achieve their teaching goals. Giving teachers varied options allows them to realize that there are resources available for all content areas. According to Thiel, Mai, and Post, explaining some of the advantages of technology, such as better assessment data, easy differentiation of lessons, and customizable learning formats, motivates teachers to explore emerging technologies. One of the biggest obstacles to technology integration is overcoming negative teacher perceptions as a result of lack of understanding of the benefits of incorporating technology in their lessons due to improper training on how technology can enrich instructional practices. However, with the increase in bring your own device programs, the argument against technology integration pertaining to lack of resources is weakening. There are many parts to technology integration in public schools that needs to be considered in addition to teacher attitudes. How parents interact with the technology, how students will use the technology, what supports must be in place to ensure a successful integration, what professional development is needed and to what extent, and probably most importantly, what benefits does the technology bring to the school or the school system? Like Picciano says, you cannot buy a technology product without first understanding how it will be used in school. Having technology just for the sake of having technology does not make sense. So, planning technology integration using a systems thinking approach is critical for the successful implementation of technology in the classroom. According to Picciano, administrators or teachers can lead a committee to identify applications that coincide with district-wide goals. I am currently leading a math vertical team through an improvement need process where we will have to explore technology options and think about the models as described by Picciano's text. Our district has also purchased an integrated learning system specific for language arts and math to help our students prepare for our new state tests. The program we use, called ClassWorks, replaced the use of SuccessMaker at the elementary school level and provides a consistent program for teachers to use kindergarten through 10th grade. One of the best features of the program is that it is customizable and can deliver individualized instruction based on universal screeners. Also, many school systems are implementing specific technology plans, as mentioned in Picciano's text, called learning management systems. I believe that by using these programs and applications, that students will be better prepared for a technology-centered world by using these programs and also be exposed to programs that they will use outside of school. I hope this video has given you some information to think about. Thank you for watching.